with my boy Roger.
Sir,
I see what it is. Car shopping. We at BMW right now. What y'all think about this R8 right here? I mean, not the R8, i8. My bad. You know I love the R8, so I be doing that. Think about this i8. What year is this? How much is the car? This is a $166,000 car.
166.
Yeah, but that's because it's
a roadster and
it's this shit. Ooh. About to. Y'all see them butterfly doors? Yeah. Yeah. What color you think? What color is this?
It's like a brown, like a penny color. Bronze.
Color. Copper. Should have knew that. Copper frozen gray at Ace. Do it got gray in it? Trying to get in this bitch. Oh gosh. Do this look like it fit me? Does it look like this will fit me? If I hit the gas, will that turn on? Nah, that ain't gonna turn on. This is a nice car though. My hair is a mess, bro. I'm gonna get a haircut soon. What you doing? What you doing? I ain't looking this.
Where's Sean go?
What's this?
What? Gotta show it on the camera. That sounds like phones. Gotta ask people in the comments.
What y'all think this is? I don't know what this is. They got some little speakers back there. I'll throw some little speakers right here. Let's go look at the Dodge. Huh? I'm a YouTuber. Yeah. Cool Kent? Ken or Kent?
Like on my car.
Oh. Y'all, look, make sure y'all come here. If you from Cincinnati, Ohio, don't matter. They got some nice cars up here. Make sure y'all talk to Cool Ken. This guy right here. Number, everything. Cincinnati. You can look it up online. All that. Trying to get out of this thing.
I got a YouTube page too, man.
You do? What you do? For wrestling?
I do music.
For real? You make music?
What's your channel? Cool Ken Z15.
Man, what did I touch? Cool Ken Z15. I'm gonna have to look at. So you do just wrestling like tips, or you just record?
No, music.
Oh, music. I'm tripping.
Yeah, Cool Ken gets played on the radio.
For real?
Yes, he does.
Oh, so
We need to give you a shout out.
you famous for real.
Back in the day, I'm an old school hip hop.
Tell them what it is. Tell them what your YouTube is.
Hey, yo, check me out. Cool Ken Z15.
Cool Ken Z.
.com is spelled KOOLKEN.
Yeah, y'all gotta go tap in. Show some love.
Show y'all smash that like button.
Yeah. Share, subscribe, new to the channel. So y'all tell me, should I switch from Audi to BMW?
Yep.
I don't think it's happening. They know how much I love my Audi. Cause when you ever drove an Audi, you don't feel nothing. It just feels like a Tesla for real. So smooth. I ain't saying powerful, but it's just how it's a smooth ride. Yeah, Tesla is a different thing. But they got problems with them though. Like I was looking at the self-driving thing. Like they can't take sharp turns, and people be slacking and smacking stuff. I'm like, yeah, you done messed up.
What's your channel? What kind of work y'all do?
Work, like what we work for, like what we do for a living.
Mm-hmm.
Work at DHL, drive a tug.
DHL?
Yeah, in Kentucky.
That's a good start.
You can move up from there though. They
He can move up. I ain't planning on staying there that
ain't
long.
moving up. I already told him I ain't moving up.
They wanted him to move up. They had their chance. They blew it. But they do got a lot of benefits there.
So we about to go to Dodge.
Yeah. Yeah, Dodge. Mopar, baby.
What do you say?
Mopar. Nah, Dodge. We can go to Ford next. Mustangs.
Just looking around. You got a YouTube video.
Yeah. Did y'all already looked at over there?
Yeah, we already looked over there. He wasn't recording.
You lucky your seats ain't leather. I would have fucked some shit up. Sliding out like that.
When the interior get done, y'all ain't gonna be wearing no special jeans. I'm gonna put your ass in some sweatpants.
All the V6 challenges. I mean, not the Wait, how did his shaker?
Hammy and it's a
But no. That's what I'm saying though.
He's
That's what I'm
stupid.
saying.
He dumb.
But shut up.
He
bro.
dumb.
You
That's
know
a
what I'm trying to
Hemi.
say, 'cause you know his shaker got the inlet.
His go in. It's
Yeah.
because that's the SRT model.
Oh, so he got that
Like the
SRT.
RT shaker is weird. Like it's a RT scat pack with SRT trim. It's weird. I think it has
I
the.
got a Ford right now. Get in here so we can get out.
You know. What I think it is the RT scat pack. It just has the RT interior, but the suspension is the SRT. Cause look at the inside of it. It's ugly. Come on, Sean. You can't tell me this ain't nice. Go ahead. Just give it a sit. Just give it a sit. Just a little sit. Just feel it. 50. I thought it was just 50. No. Yeah.
The total price they got.
Look at the wheels. Yeah, I think I want it. I really think I want it.
You do got money, nigga.
I do got money, man. Sean, just give it a, you know what I'm saying? This is for, you like, look at the butt back there.
I don't want to get Dodge on my ass and put it on.
Mopar, baby. Like, oh my gosh. The suede seats. 392 Scat Pack SRT. I know what it is.
Fuck this shit in red.
That's what I said earlier. Just imagine if it had a stock muffler with the sunroof. The back seat clean. How'd I look in this? Y'all look, let's say you was my girl from the side, y'all just looking at me. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I look good in here. I think I might get it. Maybe. What car y'all think I'll get next? I don't know. I want something different. But I like Mopar. I like my Charger. What car you think I need to get next?
Bruh, we gotta get some exotic, not no Charger.
You right. I do want something exotic. I want to be young with an exotic car. A Corvette ain't exotic. That's what I said. Corvette ain't exotic. The C8 is exotic, but C7 ain't. That's an old man car. You see old mans driving them C7. It is a nice car, but it's a C7.
That's a 6'4".
It don't matter. It got the same.
It's too heavy, bro. It's too heavy.
Both of them. My shit still get up.
Never. Not on
It'll get up with it though.
Not on that 6'4".
You'll get up with it, but that 6'4" Ram is nasty. And it's gonna be screaming. But he got twin turbos. If he go bigger, he'll beat it.
Yeah, I don't think you're not beating on 6'4" off the line with turbos either. You got like the boost built up and all that.
Nigga, you talking crazy. You must not know what turbo is.
Right, you gotta build boost, right? You gotta build boost.
I like the lighting in here. I said I like the lighting. Bro, you always saying that. It don't. You want to do it again? We can run it again.
Oh yeah, you gotta start daily vlogging, bro. We be doing stuff, but it's like
You hear him, y'all? Should I start the daily vlog? Even if I look a mess. Cause man, look at my face, hair. Oh man, I need it done. Let's walk to our cars, bruh. Fuck that Ford. Mopar, baby. And I just put it back on my shit. Fuck you mean? I felt disrespected. He did say
What?
talk about Beamer better than Audi. He trolling. Them S5s?
Revving that quiet.
Them S5s? Them superchargers? Nasty.
I'm about to ask my mama if she got my car back there.
You want to go get your shit?
I'm thinking about it. My dad is. My dad driving it this week, so I can get up there to Indiana and shit. I fuck around just only drive it on the fucking weekend, bro. Cause that gas is just too much.
We gotta walk back to our cars. We parked at the Shell gas station.
I'm with you.
Oh yeah, he with me.
Who the hell?
I forgot he with me. Got the cops. But that's like the same cop. Oh, he booking it.
Who damn near just trying to get through the lights?
I wonder who oh no, he going around that van. They ain't got. We had Chevy.
They had an Evo up there. An Evo.
Where?
Like up there. We was just at.
In the back?
No, he said they had one.
Oh.
I guess it's sold. About to say.
For the YouTube video, you ain't gonna hop in a drop top. You? I know. Oh, who you ain't gonna hop in that shit? Hop in that bitch. Y'all see how we come on daily basis. Oh, who? Oh.
Somebody went through that shit.
I'm about to take that CarMax, nigga. My lips starting to go stupid right now, nigga. Oh. Got the hair down today. And we walking in the rain. We honestly could have parked over one of here, honestly.
Yeah.
Back up, because we parked right there one day. Me and my friends, we parked like literally right here on this corner or that one for like 3 hours. Ain't do shit. But it was tickets on everybody else shit.
They be sticking on this thing, too. I'm like, damn, I wish we could make some moves. This what we post up for me. I'm all in that bitch.
Yeah, he booking it on the highway.
Ain't no wetness. Or he can't be in that on that highway acting crazy in that rain.
Hell no.
He's gonna slide on ass.
But when I be coming from work going back that way, I be flying right here. Me and Tyler be racing like a motherfucker right there.
Big shot.
Hell yeah. Look, G over there clouding. Hell no.
They move sides down. What the fuck they doing like?
Oh, they in there
Come
clouding.
on, that's where we need to be at. In the white spot area.
Watching.
White spot.
We just watching for real.
Yeah, we finna get free fair.
Ain't us a line to get in here. Ass cheeks out and shit. He got it. Oh yeah, he going stupid. She just got upset because we was recording. She tried to put on a show, so you feel me? We're gonna put on the show, we gotta show her some love.
Yeah, my shit about to John something.
Y'all don't forget to smash that like button, man. Y'all want the daily vlogs, comment down below. Cause I be slacking. I'm done slacking for y'all. Won't be doing that no more. Oh, he finna get the head from both of them. The same car? Oh, thought it was the same car. Oh, nigga. It's hard to say no, for real. Y'all wanna know the shit thing? I ain't 21, so I can't go in the clubs. Saudi. They need to go to Clifton. But they got the parties. They got the house parties. Oh, y'all can't even see me through the reflection. Hey y'all, hey, say what's up to the YouTube channel, man.
I'm the greatest professional wrestler in the world today, baby. Close and great, never forget it.
I'm Dylan. Nice to meet you. What's good? I'm from Cleveland. 216. 216 in this motherfucker. Don't play with me, bitches. I'll fuck your ass up. Period.
Yeah.
You saying niggas ain't playing that.
They not, we finna go somewhere else. Man, what, they just come out of there? Yeah, we finna go somewhere else. It's starting to get dead over here. They over here washing the car and shit with the little brush thingy at the fucking gas station. That's the shit you see over here in the city, man.
Look at him though.
Ain't
Getting
clowning
this together.
on life. They trolling. Y'all know I don't do drugs. They over there doing their thing, man. Smoking and shit. I sit back, relax. You know what I'm saying? Don't do drugs, man. We just posted, chilling, not doing shit. So it's like, I don't know, it's like 2 almost 3. What time is it? I got my watch. 3:09.
I see it, man.
We always riding heavy. Scat Pack 392 shaker, boy. But yeah, like I said before, man, if y'all want daily vlogs, or I at least try to get a couple in a week, cause I still work. I still ain't got that much time. But you know, try to get them bitches in. Y'all want to comment down below what y'all want me to go vlog, what y'all want to see, like what y'all want to know about my city, or you know what I'm saying, or y'all just want to see what I do on the daily, like, on my free time. Cause I mean, shit, I don't do much. I be chilling. That's why I don't know why I be slacking on YouTube, cause I don't do much. I do have hella free time. Well, I sleep a lot. I sleep hella, bro. I don't know. I'm like a heavy sleeper. Always sleeping and shit. Hey, if y'all fuck with the Arizonas, I'm telling you, bro, this is the best one. This is definitely the best one. But shit, I might end the vlog right here. So if y'all like this video, leave a like, comment down below. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. You know what I'm saying? Road to 10K. I was supposed to, my goal in one of my older videos, I promise, I swear, I ain't keep that promise. I said 10K by end of summer. Summer over. Summer over on the 28th. I think fall start on the 28th of September. But it's all good. We gonna bounce back. We gonna come harder. I need y'all to start supporting, start sharing, man. Y'all gotta show me love, show me that y'all want me back. But yeah, like I said, like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Stay tuned for the next vlog, video, prank, challenge, reaction. Stay tuned. Fuck you on for real, bro. You fried? What you on for real? You can go back over to his car and that shit, nigga. You trolling. You stupid.
It feels like we're coming right down to the end of the road. I'm heartbroken and I just want your soul. Soft spoken, but